Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Machine, machine. A device with moving parts that performs a task. Main, main. Most important or central. Make, make. To create or produce something. Man, man. An adult male human being. Many, many. A large number of people or things. Map, map. A visual representation of an area showing geographical features. Market, market. A place where goods are bought and sold. Match, match. A contest between two or more competitors, or to pair something together. Matter, matter. A subject or situation under consideration, or physical substance. May, used to express possibility or permission. Maybe, maybe, perhaps or possibly. Mean, mean. To signify or intend something, or unkind or cruel. Meaning, meaning. What is intended or expressed by something. Measure, measure. To determine the size, amount, or degree of something. Meet, meet. To come together with someone or encounter them. Meeting, meeting. An assembly of people for discussion or decision-making. Member, member. A person who belongs to a group or organization. Mention, mention. To briefly refer to something in speech or writing. Message, message. A communication or information conveyed from one person to another. Middle, middle. The central point or position of something. Might, might. Used to express possibility, or strength or power. Mile, mile. A unit of distance equal to 1,609 meters or approximately 5,280 feet. Mind, mind. The part of a person that enables them to think, feel, and reason. Minute, minute. A unit of time equal to 60 seconds. Miss, miss. To fail to hit, reach, or make contact with something, or to long for someone's presence. Moment, moment. A very brief period of time. Money, money. A medium of exchange used to buy goods and services. Month, month. A unit of time based on the calendar, typically 28 to 31 days. More, more. A greater amount or number of something. Morning, morning. The early part of the day from sunrise until noon. Most, most. The greatest amount or number of something. Mother, mother. A female parent. Move, move. To change position or cause something to change position. Much, much. A large amount or quantity of something. Music, music. Vocal or instrumental sounds arranged to produce a melody or rhythm. Must, must. Something that is necessary or required. My, belonging to or associated with the speaker.